Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing elementary education majors how to make an academic advising appointment. And what you're going to want to do is sign on to your Access Plus page, and then once you get there you should come up with a screen like this. Then you're going to want to go to your student tab up here, and then down on this left panel you should see Navigate Student. You're going to click on that, continue. When you first click on this page, it's going to ask you to pick your university or continue, and you press continue and accept the terms, and then it might have you take a short little survey, but eventually you should get to this page. And then when you're on this page, you're going to go over here to appointments on the left side, and then schedule campus appointment. It's being slow. Okay. And then over here, I'm going to say academic advising, service, and then these are your options that you're thinking about talking about. Let's just say I have to discuss my grades and performance. And then here you can pick a date. Maybe I'm looking at next Monday. Find available time. Loading. All right, and then here your advisor's name should pop up. And then all of these are going to be available times. It'll show you what you've selected first, those times, and then it'll kind of go down to the next day. So let's say this slot works for me the best. I'll click on that. So virtual is the only option for this meeting. Sometimes for a different day, depending on if the advisor's in the office, it will have an option for in person. That's just kind of something you have to kind of trial and error with a little bit, or if you would like to email your advisor ahead of time and say, I'd like to meet in person, which days are you in, something like that. Any extra comments you want to put in this box, you can. This is where you can decide, oh, I want reminders, text message or email, and then your phone number if you do put that text message spot. And then finally you'll just click schedule and it will go into your reminders and stuff, and it'll give alert to the advisor as well. All right, well, that's it.